Ever dreamed of a home that truly understands you, responding to your voice, anticipating your needs based on motion, or even adjusting to the time of day? And what if you could achieve all this without ever relying on Amazon, Google, or any cloud-based service that collects your data? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your very own local, private, and powerful smart home hub. We'll be using a Raspberry Pi, the reliable Zigbee protocol, and the absolutely incredible open-source platform known as Home Assistant. The best part? You won't need to write a single line of code to bring your smart home dreams to life. We're going to dive deep into making your home smarter, more secure, and completely under your control from the ground up. We're embarking on a journey to create a fully offline smart home system. This means ultimate privacy and independence from external servers. With this setup, you'll gain direct and complete control over a wide array of smart devices from your smart lights, ensuring they illuminate your space exactly when and how you desire, to motion sensors that detect presence and trigger actions, Docker and window contacts that enhance security and automation, and even smart plugs that allow you to control traditional appliances remotely. All these devices will seamlessly integrate and communicate via one central hub that is entirely yours, managed by you, and never sharing your sensitive data with third parties. This is about taking back control and building a truly intelligent home, tailored to your life. Now let's gather the essential components for our smart home brain. First, you'll need a Raspberry Pi 4. While a Raspberry Pi 3 with Wi-Fi can work, the Pi 4 offers superior performance and connectivity, making it the ideal choice for a responsive smart home. A reliable power supply designed for the Raspberry Pi is crucial to ensure stable operation. For storage, a high-quality SD card, 32GB recommended, will house your Home Assistant operating system and all your configurations. Next, the heart of our Zigbee communication, a Zigbee USB dongle. Popular and reliable options include the Sonoff ZB Dongle E or the Conbee 2, both excellent choices for their broad device compatibility. Finally, you'll need some actual smart sensors and switches. Remember to choose Zigbee-based devices for optimal performance within our ecosystem. A crucial pro tip: always prioritize Zigbee devices over Wi-Fi alternatives whenever possible. Zigbee creates its own mesh network, which is generally more reliable, offers lower latency, and, most importantly, doesn't clog up your home Wi-Fi network, ensuring a smoother experience for all your devices. Let's get to the core setup: installing Home Assistant, which will serve as the brain of our entire smart home system. This process is surprisingly straightforward. Your first step is to download the Home Assistant OS image directly from the official Home Assistant website. Once downloaded, you'll flash this image onto your SD card. A fantastic user-friendly tool for this is Balena Etcher, available for all major operating systems. Simply select the Home Assistant image, choose your SD card, and let Etcher do its magic. After the flashing process is complete, carefully insert the prepared SD card into your Raspberry Pi and power it on. The Pi will boot up, and Home Assistant will begin its initial setup. Next, you'll connect your Raspberry Pi to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can typically access your Home Assistant interface by navigating to HTTP Home Assistant, local in your web browser. If that doesn't work, you might need to find its IP address on your network. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your user account, configure your time zone, and enable any initial integrations. That's truly it. Within minutes, you'll have a fully functioning, powerful home automation hub ready to be personalized. With Home Assistant up and running, the next crucial step is integrating our Zigbee dongle, so your hub can communicate with all your smart devices. Simply plug your Zigbee USB dongle into an available USB port on your Raspberry Pi. Home Assistant is remarkably intelligent. It should automatically detect the new hardware. Once detected, you'll have a choice of Zigbee integrations. The two primary options are ZHA, which stands for Zigbee Home Automation, and Zigbee 2MQTT. ZHA is built directly into Home Assistant and is often the simplest choice for beginners, providing robust core functionality. Zigbee 2MQTT, on the other hand, offers more advanced features, greater flexibility, and wider device support, especially for less common Zigbee devices, but might require a bit more initial configuration. Whichever you choose, the process for pairing new Zigbee devices is incredibly user-friendly. Within the Home Assistant interface, you'll simply navigate to the Zigbee integration. Click Add Device or Pair Device, and then put your Zigbee device into pairing mode, which usually involves holding a button for a few seconds. Most devices will pair successfully and appear in your home. Assistant dashboard in under 10 seconds, ready for automation. Now for the truly exciting part, creating smart automations that bring your home to life. This is where you unlock the true potential of your smart home hub. Let's explore some practical and magical examples. Imagine this: a motion sensor detects activity in a room, and if it's nighttime, your smart lights automatically turn on, providing illumination exactly when and where you need it, and turning off once no motion is detected. Or consider a scenario where a temperature sensor in your living room detects that the temperature has climbed too high. This can trigger a smart plug connected to a fan, turning it on to cool the room down. The beauty of Home Assistant is that you can create these intricate automations directly within its intuitive user interface. There's no coding required. You simply define a trigger, what starts the automation, like motion or temperature, an action, what happens, like turning on a light, or a fan, and optionally, a condition when the automation should run, like only at night. If you ever want to level up your automation game, Home Assistant allows you to dive into YAML configurations. This offers unparalleled customization, enabling you to fine-tune everything from specific LED colors based on different states to complex sunrise and sunset routines that adjust your lighting throughout the day, creating a truly personalized living experience. Finally, let's talk about managing and interacting with your newly intelligent home. Home Assistant provides a highly customizable dashboard where you can arrange all your device controls and sensor readings exactly how you like them. Using a simple drag-and-drop interface, you can add various cards to display information, control devices, or activate scenes. For on-the-go control, the Home Assistant mobile app is incredibly powerful and user-friendly. Available for both iOS and Android, it allows you to control everything from your phone, giving you complete command of your smart home, whether you're relaxing on the couch or halfway across the world. For remote access, you can set up a secure connection through Home Assistant Cloud, a subscription service for convenience, or for the more technically inclined, a local VPN to maintain full privacy. No more yelling at Alexa or Google Assistant to control your lights now. A simple tap on your phone gives you precise and instant command, putting you firmly in control of your smart home experience. This is smart home freedom redefined.